3D shearing. Shearing is changing the shape of an object is called shearing. Shearing is done in three-dimensional plane, so which is called three-dimensional shearing. So the shearing, we have a three different type of shearing, and that is shearing in with respect to x-axis, shearing with respect to y-axis, and shearing with respect to z-axis. So three different type of shearing we have. Let's we see first z shearing. So here also we are going to starts with Z. It is easy for us. We are going to add only one more direction here. So only one more axis here is Z axis. So that we just retain the Z alone as it is. Then the remaining two, that is X and Y axis, we are going to make a changes. So for that we need a shearing parameter, that is xy parameter we must require. So that z is equal to z dash is equal to z, x dash is equal to x plus z dot shx, the modification. Then y dash is equal to y plus z dot shy. This is the shearing parameter. From this we are going to form a matrix representation, that is x dash, y dash, z dash. Here see, here x, here we have given 1. There is no y value, so we have given 0. Then z dot shx. So the shx parameter we have written here. Next we take a y dash. Y dash, here there is no x value, so we substitute here 0. Then there is y value 1, so 1. Then next zshy, that is shearing parameter, so we have written here. Next z dash is equal to z, so here the z component alone we substitute 1, remaining 0. Then this is the old coordinate x, y, z. This is the way we are forming the matrix representation. For this shearing matrix we are going to form a homogeneous coordinate representation. Homogeneous coordinate representation. Coordinate matrix representation. So now we have to add x dash, y dash, z dash, homogeneous coordinate variable h, which is equal to, we have to write the, as it is the first three dimension, 1 0 the shearing parameter, 0 1 the shearing parameter, 0 0 1. Along with that we have to add one more dimension, that is fourth dimension. Remaining thing we fill it with 0. Now we have to write the old coordinate x, y, z, the homogeneous coordinate value 1. This is for shearing with respect to z axis. So this is the homogeneous coordinate representation for shearing with respect to z axis. Now let's we move on to shearing with respect to x axis. Now we have to retain x as it is, but we are going to make a changes in y and z direction. So x dash is equal to x, y dash is equal to y plus x shy, that is the parameter. Then z dash z plus x dot shz. So this is the formula for 3D shearing with respect to x axis. Now we derive a matrix form here, x dash, y dash, z dash. So in matrix form, see here x dash, x1, the remaining value, there is no remaining y z value, so we substitute as a 0. See here there is no x value, sorry, x value is x dot shy. So see here I have substituted xhy here. Then y value 1, there is no z value, so we have given a 0. Here also, here the x value shz, so we have shz, there is no y value, so 0, z value 1. So we have formed the matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix for this old coordinate x, y, z. So we have to represent the same in the matrix format, homogeneous coordinate matrix format. x dash, y dash, z dash, homogeneous coordinate variable h, we have to write the same three dimension values as it is. We have to add one more direction. Along with that, we have filled the remaining value as 0. Now we formed 4x matrix successfully. X, y, z, the homogeneous coordinate value 1. This is the homogeneous coordinate matrix form for our shearing with respect to x. Now let's we move on to shearing y. Shearing y also, we have to retain y as it is. We have to make changes both x and z. So here also we required 2 parameter. So y dash is equal to y, x dash is equal to x plus y dot shx. Z dash is equal to z plus y dot shz. In matrix form, see here x dash, x we have written 1. And then y we have sh x, there is no z value, so we have substituted 0. Then y dash, y alone 1, so 1, remaining values we filled with 0. Z dash, there is no x value 0. Then y value sh z, then z value 1. Then the old coordinate x, y, z. For this we have to write the homogeneous coordinates. Coordinate matrix form. So here we have to write x dash, y dash, z dash, h, which is equal to, we have to write the same 3 dimension as it is 0, 1, 0, 0, sh, z, 1. Along with that we are going to add one more dimension and fill it remaining value as 0. Then the old coordinates x, y, z. Then the homogeneous coordinate value as 1. So this is the homogeneous coordinate matrix form for shearing with respect to y in 3-dimensional plane. Thank you.